Welcome back. I have written already one question on the board. Sometimes you are very lucky to get such easy questions. If you see, this is a matrix of 3 by 3 order, and the most important thing what told here is that A transpose into A is your identity matrix. So if you go by this meaning actually, if this is your matrix A, I am not writing it again. So A transpose will be this column will become row, this column will become row, and this column will become row. If you observe it, what I find that A transpose and A are the same matrix, right? A transpose into A is same matrix. So what is the relationship with this now? So if you see here, A cube, B cube and C cube indicates the actual values over there. So if I want to get the value, I need to get the determinant. So obviously determinant of A transpose A will be equal to determinant of A transpose into determinant of A, which obviously will be equal to determinant of A into determinant of A, which finally becomes determinant of ABC, BCA and CAB. Okay, the determinant value of this, the whole square, because determinant is a value, so you will get square of it. Let us actually get what value we will get it. But if you see this determinant of A transpose A transpose A is your identity matrix. So what I get here, this will become your determinant of I, which is nothing but 1. So that will be nothing but A, B, C, B, C, A and C, A, B, the whole square. It means that the determinant value of identity matrix is obviously your 1, which is nothing but this ABC, BCA and CAB. So what could be the determinant value of this, that we will see first. And obviously it is here 1, so it is surely going to become plus minus 1 is equal to determinant value of ABC will be, that is, it was square over here, so we get by square root plus minus 1. It is determinant, it is not matrix, it is determinant, so obviously you can get the value. So when I solve this, what I get here is A into BC minus A square minus B into B square minus AC plus C into AB minus C square, which is nothing but ABC minus A cube minus B cube plus ABC plus CAB minus C cube. That means in short what I get here is plus minus 1 is equal to 3ABC, if I am not wrong, yes, 3ABC minus into bracket A cube plus B cube plus C cube, that is required. And as per the given information, this ABC is your A transpose A, which is your identity matrix. So now if ABC is your identity matrix, so obviously you will understand and get this, that is B, this obviously becomes here, that is A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equal to 3ABC minus plus 1. Now let me see if I have my ABC. So here ABC is equal to A transpose into A is equal to identity matrix. here actually A transpose A is a matrix, and this also is a matrix, and this ABC is a value. So probably there is some mistake with the question. It should be the determinant value. That is ABC is determinant value of A transpose A, that is equal to 1. And if it is so, then this will become your 1. So this will become 3 minus 2 and 3 plus 2. So sorry, 3 minus 1 and 3 plus 1, that is equal to 2 comma 4. But here I think so there is some correction. Let it be. But the required value of AQ plus BQ plus CQ when ABC is actually not mentioned as 1 over here, I suppose it should be determinant value over here and it should be 1 over here. Okay. Now this is something which needs to be changed. But let us go with some other question. Now, as per the question, if you see what it says, if the adjoint of a 3 by 3 matrix is matrix A is this, that means by the condition it says adjoint of A is 144, 217, 113. Okay, then the possible values of determinant of A. So better what I will do is possible values of determinant of A is expected. So let me get pehle what is the possible value of adjoint of A. So adjoint of A, if you see, so determinant value of adjoint of A is equal to 1 into 3 minus 7, that is minus 4, minus 4 into 2 3s are 6, minus 7 again, that is minus 1, plus 4 into 2 minus 1, that is 1. So you get this value to be as 4. Okay, that is determinant of adjoint of A. Now the relationship is already established between determinant of adjoint of A and determinant of A, which we have studied already in your previous sessions. That is, you can refer back to those particular videos and you will come to know that determinant of adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A raised to n minus 1, where n stands to be the order of determinant, that is nothing but determinant of A raised to 2, because order is 3. So you get here adjoint of A is 4. So obviously determinant value of A square will be 4, indicating determinant value of A will be your plus or minus 2. So you saw the questions which are there, they are not very difficult at any times. They are generally easy only. Only thing is how do we apply it, that is very important. Now coming to the question, it says that M and N are two even order, let it be this, two even order. This is very important. It is not odd, and skew symmetric also is there. So if it was odd, so if you see my previous video, it is very clearly told the determinant of this odd order skew symmetric matrix will become 0. So that is, it is very clearly mentioned that this even, that means determinant value is not going to become 0, and also it is very clearly told it is non-singular. So that also has been added, and even if it was not added, we could understand since it is even order that it is not going to become 0. That means determinant value is not 0. Determinant is not 0, that means it is invertible. That means M and N both are invertible and inverse is existing. Okay. The condition says what? Mn is equal to Nm. That means they are so called as, that is Mn is equal to Nm. Right? So Mn is equal to Nm. So this will help us to understand the question better. Now let me write it first so that we can discuss it on that particular ground. Yeah, this is your expected part. It says that it is skew symmetric. Now if it is skew symmetric, that is for skew symmetric, I have for skew symmetric. I know that A transpose is equal to minus A. And if it is symmetric, so it will become A transpose is equal to A. Okay? So this will help me to understand the procedure over here. That is, if I see here, okay, I have two things which are very important. I can get rid of transpose anytime, replacing the matrix, negative matrix, and Mn is equal to Nn. That says that AB, product of AB, that is when you multiply matrix A to B, it is same as matrix B to A. Rare condition, but when I say this is M square, this is N square, and AB inverse is your B inverse, this is inverse, B inverse into A inverse. And same is for transpose, it is B transpose into A transpose. Okay, that is product. Now this can be further written as M square N into N inverse. I am associating this two by and M transpose using skew symmetric concept will become minus M inverse N inverse transpose, that is N inverse transpose will, I will make the change in next part, and M transpose is your minus N because they are skew symmetric. So obviously it turns down to be as M square N, and this is your identity matrix. So you can write it or does not, will also do. This is M inverse into N inverse, and this is your M. So now I know one thing, K Mn is equal to Nn, means this M into N is your M inverse N inverse M. So this will become your M, N, M and M inverse. The association comes over here is N inverse M. So this becomes Mn, identity matrix N inverse M. But if you see here very properly, if you go through it, there is most important concept which is to be seen over here. Now with this though I will get obviously M square, but if I, let me get it, okay, I got it, see here, it was N inverse transpose which I forgot to write it in next step. So this is your transpose. So if this is transpose, that means I will make a change over here. So it indicates N transpose inverse. So this will become so called as minus N. That means N inverse stays here but will come minus, minus and minus. So this will become minus M. This is your identity matrix into M, that is minus N square. Okay. While writing I made a small error. So such things also are to be seen when you have same things going on, M, N, M, N, M, N. So this particular things do happen. So let us see the new concept in the next video. Till then, goodbye, thank you.